I think a glance at the annual report and accounts just says it all. Winter's been an incredibly busy year. The amount of work that we've done is, so some of the major work items in the course of the year just merit 2 or 3 lines, but they've been significant nevertheless, as well as the bedrock of our work in terms of financial audit, performance audit work. We've delivered a range of studies. We've worked with other bodies. We've particularly held good practice events. We've shared seminars with the commissioners and others. The annual report really says it all. And it is a testimony to the fact that our work is seen as important. It is seen as important by our audited bodies in terms of the reaction we've had there. And I recognise that what it does show is that the volume of work which we've struggled with. We've had staffing difficulties, particularly in financial audit, and it has been a real achievement that we've been able to deliver the work set out here. But I'm not complacent by any stretch of the imagination. We've done it 1 year, but we need to ensure that we are able to recruit the necessary staff with the necessary skills that means that we're able to continue this work to the future. I think that we stand at a period of quite marked change in audit work. We have new legislation, the Future Generations Bill, which we need to absorb and take into our audit approach. At the same time, Wales will be acquiring fiscal devolution, which means we'll need to be looking at the tax raising work of the Welsh Government and the bodies that it sets up for that. At the same time, it's going to be a period of quite continued austerity, pressure on the public expenditure, and we're seeing local government probably reorganise after the election. Put on top of that the fact that there will be continued pressure from Treasury to early close, particularly local government accounts, the probable emergence of a Welsh whole of government account, and you can see there's quite a lot of change lying ahead of us. And that's on top of the work that we currently are doing, and which I'm sure there will be continued demand for us to continue performing at the same level. And that really does mean we need to ensure we have a workforce which has the necessary skills, the necessary experience, able to support us during that period. But it's encouraging. There is no let-up in demand for audit work. And I think it marks the fact that people do see us as having very relevant skills at the current climate.